हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आपका स्वागत इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान में करती हूँ। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, सूरज सर इस अभियान को शुरू किए हैं। इसमें हर सप्ताह बेस्ट स्पीकर ऑफ द वीक का कंपटीशन करवाया जाता है। कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए पूरा वीडियो देखिए और कमेंट में बेस्ट स्पीकर का नाम लिखिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।
Hi friends, my name is Diwakar Kumar Goswami from Gomucherabad, and this week our topic was financial freedom. You know that the financial freedom is most famous word, and all people want to become it. Me too, I want to become it, and it is very important for every people. And there are some people, there are only 5 to 10, 1 to 10 peoples are financials, and I like and it, and most of the people like it. And if you are financial, then you can do anything because you have a lot of money and you can do anything. Bye friends. I will meet you next Sunday. Bye.
Greetings to all my dear brothers and sisters. I'm Ambit. Today I'm going to say something about describe financial freedom. What is financial freedom? My dear friend, financial freedom means living without pressure of money. It's called financial freedom. My dear friend, when we have enough money saving and basic income for fulfill our needs, that means we are financially freedom. Otherwise we are not freedom. In these generations, many people depend on different type of job, different type of job, and some workers working in any private sector company, so and so. That means they are not financially freedom. If you want to become financially freedom, then first of all you should save something for future. If you save something for future, then even we will be financially freedom. That's why. And how can we control this financial freedom? Now I will try to describe about it. My dear friend, if you want to become financially freedom, that means don't waste your money. Don't waste your money, and don't try to show off your luxurious life. If you try to do that type of activities, then it maybe destroy our financially freedom. My dear friend, that's why I also request to you, if you have money, then you can invest your money and that place from where you can get lots of benefit. Thank you, my dear friend. Really, I am very delighted to get this wonderful opportunity to say something about financial freedom. Thank you.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Heman Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys, I'm here to speak about something new topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic is financial freedom. So what is financial freedom? Financial freedom is when we save our money at home and freely spend what is left. That is financial freedom. And to save money, we should invest it in the right place. We don't spend our money in the wrong place. We should save money and use it where it is needed. That is financial freedom. Financial freedom means we have freedom to spend our money within our budget. Taking care of our health is just as important as maintaining our wealth, because health is wealth. If we get sick at once in future, all savings will be gone and financial freedom will be taken away. So we should save money as much as possible to secure our future, because we will have enough money, then we can spend our money freely, spend money very freely and without any hesitation. So we should save money for secure our future. So financial freedom is very important. in our life, in our daily budget. So we should save money as much as possible. So that's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. That's all. Thank you for listening to me.
So, good morning, everyone. So, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak such a beautiful topic, that is financial freedom. As we know that uh, financial freedom. First, I want to tell you what is the financial freedom. So, financial freedom means having a adequate income in investment and saving to lead a life you long for without being dependent on a traditional job. It's about gaining control over your finances and the choice you make. So I want to tell you that uh, mm, how will you think that you have achieved the financial freedom. So knowing if you have achieved your financial freedom is possible only when you have multiple streams of income to cover your basic expenses and leads to a decent standard of living. You should not have to depend on your job or career to arrange for these expenses if you are financially free. So uh, this provides you with the ultimate freedom of work as you enjoy your life. And to achieve financial freedom to achieve financial freedom, focus on creating a budget that considers expenses such as food, utensils, insurance, and housing, and other discretionary spending, which makes a thorough comparison of the income you receive from all sources, including part-time work, rental income, investment, transportations, and other. If your income is higher than your expenses, you might have achieved financial freedom. In short, I think attaining financial freedom is a journey that takes time and effort and patience to reach your desired goal. With proper planning of how to save and invest your money, it is possible to achieve financial freedom without compromising on your dream. So I think we should earn money for our better future. So that's why we should be financially free. So thank you everyone for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, good morning. I hope so well. I am doing well. Thank you for giving this opportunity in this time. My name is Rekha Malani. I am from Nagpur, the village in near Parsupan. My topic is financial freedom. Let's start my topic. My topic is a amazing topic. Financial freedom. It means by saving our money. Without earn money you cannot go anywhere, any purchasing, any restaurant, any movies, go anywhere, did not go anywhere, and is a crucial parts of in our life. It's help, it's learn about it. Having financial freedoms, peace of mind, and financial freedom gives us to achieve goals. Financial freedoms gives us to many makes choice, and financial freedoms key to stick in life. And if I have financial, so I have any state, go anywhere, and UK are going. If you have no financial freedom, you cannot go any purchasing. and financial freedom. Last but not least, financial freedom all times are not important, but nowadays are important role because parents are two kids तो you have educations parent की desire parents has desire कि you kids are educated so you can financial freedom is important goals of parents you have financial freedom so you can kids are educated. Thank you. That's all enough today my topic.